Greetings. I'm going to do for you, my loyal subscribers, Patreons, friends, Romans, countrymen, I'm going to take this apart, this 360 controller. Right, I've done a few controllers in the past. I've done one for a while, so I usually replace the entire cable. It is a little bit iffy on the cable on this, but it's definitely cracked in there anyway. We tested on the last video, so I'm going to strip this down for you. So if you ever get a problem with your Xbox controller, you know how to repair it. So let's start off with the rear screws. Looks like there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 rear screws. Right. Let's get a little bit of a lid. Put the screws in. I'll take that off because it's not really. I actually didn't really need to take that off, to be honest. I'm not quite sure, but wasn't there a label meant to be on there, a barcode? Or maybe somebody's already been inside this. My PC setup upstairs does have a 360 controller. It works really well for the PC. No faffing with setup or anything, just comes straight on. Use it to pilot, when I play Elite Dangerous, pilot my SRV, and then just use the keyboard for other flight controls. But kind of losing patience with Elite lately. The story just doesn't seem to go anywhere, and it's a bit of a shame really, because it's an excellent game. It's just a bit stagnant at the moment. Okay. A little dirty. Not too bad. I don't think I'll go too over the top with it. I just want to yeah. Let's get rid of those. Membrane. The buttons. 2 buttons up there. See, all I want to do on this is, what button is that? That's a triangle. Is to get the cable rewired from there, so I'll probably cut off there. So I can easily do that. That's gone. I'll rewire further down. Right, let's have a look. Let's how to get this out of here. 2 motors there. Okay. There's a part, that section comes off there. It covers on the bottom. Covers the circuit board in. There we go. Standard USB configuration. So what I need to do is get the soldering iron kicked up. I'll do the same as I did the last ones I did. This connector will come off and I'll just wire straight in, hot glue it, keep this cable, because I could be able to use that should pull off, it's not melted onto that. Keep that on there. Give it a little bit of cable tightness and support in case I pull it out. I'll take the motors off while I'm here. A little screwdriver. 1 motor out. 2 motors out. So I'll give that a good clean as well, I think, while it's out. Circuit board, a little bit of corrosion on here. Well, not say fully corrosion, but it's kind of, I'm not happy with it, but it'll get cleaned off, no problem. So let's get the soldering in out. It's not bad motion. Bit of muck inside there. Oh, nothing a good clean won't cure. Yeah, bit of muck on there. Yeah, I'll have a bit of oil on this, and a bit of TLC, I think will do. So I'm going to fast forward. I won't call out these videos, and you can watch me clean this up. It'll take you a couple of minutes to watch it, and it'll take me about an hour to do. So, hey, good for you. Well, a little bit of a wall there. If anybody remembers me, my Xbox videos, I've not completely destroyed yet, but it's going the same way as. Yeah, screwdriver to point stuff out. Yeah, but this one ripped off on the board. The traces, the parts to solder to, are ridiculously delicate. Well, that's completely gone. Don't know if it goes to this little hole there or not. That one was alright. I don't think it's trying to go across to there. That one can still be soldered to, and that one's empty. You might have to leave me with this one for a few minutes. See what I can do. For the minute, I'm having real trouble seeing this because the traces are ridiculously small. But that's where the light comes in. Let's have a look with you. It doesn't look like it actually connects. The pins 2 and 3 don't look like they connect to that one below it. So I don't know. Oh, that rolling's back again, isn't it? It's down a shutter. The day I get a proper camera, that'll finally go at the minute. I don't know. If I could find where it went to on the board, an alternative place to solder in, or maybe TP2 would be where grounds up there, innit? Grounds are everywhere. TP101. Going out of focus for you, isn't it? Yeah, this may be a cock-up. I mean, it was a freebie anyway, so I'm not going to lose much, if any, sleep over it. But never go, I'll get back to you. Right, disaster. It's really not worked at all. I can't find anywhere on here where there's an alternative source to put the cable to. I'm sure there must be something somewhere. I just can't figure it out for the two. So it's disaster. It's the yeah. It is the end of this. So what can I do with this now? Let's have a think. Connection wise, that's going to be a pain in the ass to put anything to anyway. Don't really need the buttons off that. Yeah, I've completely ruined that. I'll keep that thing. It might come in useful eventually. Maybe put in that's a different connector than the Xbox, but it's still USB. So I'll keep that, unfortunately. What I'll have to do is pair that up to it, and hopefully it should already be paired back up to the 360 for the next video. But that's it. That's it is no more. It is an Xbox controller. So anyway, we live and learn. We have failures, we have successes. So yeah, that's the end of that. Thank you very much for watching. Like, subscribe, YouTube, Twitter, Patreon, comment below, share. Thank you very much, and I'll see you later. Bye.